Hello, I'm Ralph Bright, Vice President of Marketing at Interpower Group of Companies. We have real people answering the phones each day here at Interpower, which means that we receive a number of product design questions. Usually if a question has been asked by one person, it means others may have the same question. One commonly asked question is, why can't I use a Nema 515 power cord in other countries? And to answer this question, we have Bob Wersen, the President of Interpower Group of Companies. Welcome, Bob.
Thank you, Ralph.
So why can't I use a Nema 515 power cord in other countries?
Well, first of all, the Nema 515 power cord was intended by Nema, the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, for use only in North America. The Nema nomenclature, which is also used by UL and CSA, it specifies that this plug be used at 125 volts. It be used in a Class 1 grounded application, and the 15 signifies that it's rated at 15 amps. The 5 defines the pin configuration in the plug.
So if I wanted to use a North American plug that is UL CSA approved at 250 volts, what would I use?
Well, you'd then want to use a Nema 615 or a Nema 620, both of which are rated for service to 250 volts.
Okay. Are there other countries outside of North America that are using this plug?
Yes, there are a few, but they are largely companies that don't have established electrical standards yet. So they're borrowing some from North America, they borrow other standards from other places. And the thing that users of equipment, of North American manufactured equipment, need to be particularly cognizant of when they plug a device into outlets in these countries is they got to be real sure of what the output voltage is. I've had the personal experience of using a hairdryer that had a Nema 115 plug on it in Bangkok several years ago, and it was in a nice hotel. I plugged it in and turned it on, and it ran really fast. I quickly turned it off and unplugged it, but I was lucky. It could have just blown up. Yeah. So users and equipment manufacturers have to be really careful about that.
So what do these numbers signify? What do they stand for?
Well, there's several elements of the number. The first is the configuration, so that 5 defines it as 125 volts. Class 2, if it is a 1-15, for example, it means that it's 125 volts, but it's a Class 2 ungrounded application, and it's referring to the load in each case. If it has a 6 in the first position, it indicates that it's a 250 volt mains rated plug. And the second letter in the system, or the second set of numbers, refers to the amperage rating, and they can vary from 15 to 60 amps, although the most commonly specified, and especially in consumer equipment, are 15 or 20 amps. The letter P or R in the number refers to either a plug or a receptacle.
Bob, could you give me a couple of examples?
The Nema 115R means that it's a 125 volt Class 2 15 amp receptacle. The Nema L520P is a locking 125 volt Class 1 20 amp plug.
Thank you for the information, Bob, and thanks for joining us. To see a list of Nema configurations, Interpower has a chart available called Connect to North America. To access it, please see our website at www.interpower.com. And if you have any questions that you would like us to address, or if you need more information, you can email us at info@interpower.com or give us a call at 800-662-2290. We have a wealth of information on our website, and that is www.interpower.com.